OM goodness. Would you just look at this place? I am in the Pacific Northwest, about 2 hours outside of Seattle, and I'm on Whidbey Island. It's picturesque, it's quaint, it's adorable. I'm in love. Whidbey Island is the biggest in Washington state. Every square inch of it is stunning. And my newest winners, Brian Took, and their kids think so too. After 2 years of renting the house in Coopville, they've already decided they want to live here permanently. And then Brian won the lottery, so they can afford their forever dream home on this phenomenal island. Telling you, the Pacific Northwest, I'm feeling it. All right, how'd you win? How much did you win? Tell me the story, give it to me.
I'm a scratcher.
Okay.
And I have my little part of the counter in the rental house where I scratch my tickets. And when I saw the 3 numbers matching, it was a $200,000, the biggest prize for that scratch ticket.
Absolutely.
Honey, I think I've actually won something worthwhile.
$200,000. I mean, what was going through your mind when you saw this?
It was perfect time for us because we coming up on our 2-year lease ending, and we had resolved we want to stay here and look around for a house.
Right.
So basically, it allowed us to up the amount of house that we were looking for. So
Good.
The timing of it was just perfect. Yes,
and that's why you called me in, to help you spend this $200,000. We're just spending the money, aren't we?
Money gone. Bye-bye, money.
Well, $200,000, like, how much were you looking for originally?
Up to $500,000.
Okay.
We may be able to stretch it to $750 if we found absolutely the right property. And
Tell me about the dream house you're looking for. How many bedrooms would you like?
3 or 4.
Okay. Bathroom.
Garden.
Do you want a big garden?
Oh, the bigger the better.
Bigger the better. You're just like me, honey.
You know?
Anything else?
well, the thing I would love to do is find a master bedroom on the main floor if possible.
First floor living.
If possible. We realize on the island, if you get anywhere close to the water, the price goes way up. So we
course.
resolved that we're either going to have probably a small piece of property with a peek at the water, or property like we have in the rental house, then we're probably not going to have a water view. So
Gotcha. Is this going to be your retirement home?
That's
Like your
we hope to
forever
make
home?
this our long-term forever
Okay.
home. If you can do it, you're the man.
All right. I'm really excited to get to know the island. We excited to shop
Yes.
together. Give me some love.
Thank you for coming
Oh
out.
my gosh, are you kidding me? Thanks for having me. Enchanted Estate sits on 4.7 acres. The view of the sound is absolutely incredible. Went a little bit over budget, but listen, Brian had said specifically, it's really all about location. The one thing that they did ask for that this house does not have is first floor living. Hi.
Hi. Wow, this looks spectacular.
Isn't this crazy?
Yeah.
Man, beautiful
gorgeous,
day like
right?
today. This is storybook here.
Let me tell you a little bit about the house. Enchanted Estate has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It's a large home at 3,397 square feet. Sits on 4.7 acres.
Great.
House goes for $775,000.
That scares me a little bit, yes. It would be a stretch for us, but it seems like it would be worth it.
Oh, he's so easy.
I know, right? Lucky
I love
me.
this. Lucky you. Let's go check out this beauty. You're hilarious. I love that. All right, here we go. Come on in, guys.
Ooh, wow. I like it.
Right?
High
Very
ceiling.
fun. I love the high ceilings.
Very nice, very dramatic entryway. All right, so here we have a dining room.
And wow, you get the water view.
Now you're understanding the reason why this price is over your price range.
That to me is worth the stretch.
Ooh, I love it. He is easy.
He keeper.
He is a keeper. He's a keeper. Let's see the kitchen.
Can there be more? White kitchen.
White kitchen. I always love the white kitchen.
White kitchens
Yeah.
are really nice. It's fresh. They're casual.
Love it.
Check out the family room.
Very nice space.
Very nice.
Good view of the water. I love
Good
that.
view of the water.
Nice.
I know you guys are dying to get out there, but I want to show you the bedrooms.
Okay, there's no
Okay.
bedroom down here to show us?
This one, unfortunately, does not have first floor living.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice for that view. That might be worth it.
What's a few stairs when you have a master suite like this? All right, let's start with the master bedroom.
Wow, that's a nice big
Wow.
space.
It's a
Yeah.
great space. I love the sitting area here.
Like it.
You like it?
Love it.
Why don't you guys go check out the master bedroom?
All right.
You guys are hilarious.
Oh, wow, you got a view from
Wow,
here.
look at that view. He's definitely sitting in the jetted tub looking at that view.
Yeah.
Right.
Did you see your garden as well? Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
The kids would get spectacular views from their bedrooms too. But if this were my house, I'd be spending all my time out here.
Wow.
That is spectacular.
Isn't this
Nice.
just incredible?
That is amazing.
4.7 acres with
With a view.
beautiful view.
Yes.
You nailed it.
There's even a koi pond. Look at this.
Ah, that's spectacular.
And to offset the extra cost, they can earn a little extra cash by renting out the guest house or even trying their hand at winemaking.
Grapes, right?
Yep.
Grapevines.
Oh, look.
Yes.
Grapes are happening. So cool. I'm so excited.
No, you've done really well, David. I'm impressed. What else? How are you going to top this one?
Oh, it's going to be hard to top. So I'm about a mile away from the house that I showed him yesterday, and Whidbey Island Retreat is a fabulous property. It sits on 5.87 acres, and the price is absolutely fantastic. Will this be the property for them? We'll just have to see. Hello.
Hi.
Perfect day out here, isn't it?
Yes.
It is lovely.
So what do you think of the property so far?
Yes, it looks like a wonderful piece of land. I like how it slopes and got a lot of open area.
It's huge. It's 5.87 acres. Whidbey Island Retreat has 3 bedrooms and 2 1/4 bathrooms, 3,620 square feet. The price at $629,900.
Wow, much more in our budget.
Pretty
Yeah.
cool, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So with this house, it's unique. There's actually 2 entrances. There's one over here and one on the other side of the house. We're gonna
Nice.
start with this one, which is really fun. All right, here we go. Come on in, guys.
Wow.
So welcome to the first
Wood
floor.
floors. She likes wood floors.
Here's the front door.
I see.
For this level. So technically, there's first floor living. Master's over there, but we're gonna start over here. Come on into a great family room.
No, this
Yes.
is awesome.
Wow.
It's a good size. I mean, you could definitely fit much larger pieces of furniture in here to make it a little bit more homey and a little bit more comfortable for your family. All right, come on, guys. Check it out here. After you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, wow.
Wow, nice big deck.
Yeah, the deck is great size. Again, I would
Yeah.
put more outdoor furniture in here, like outdoor couches and an outdoor, of course, dining table, and really occupy the space.
That's a great idea.
Good, thank
Yeah.
you. Do you guys want to see the kitchen?
Yes,
All
please
for you.
do.
All right. So we have a great eat-in kitchen over here.
Oh,
Ooh,
nice.
big kitchen.
I love that.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Lots of
Yeah.
counter space.
Lots of counter space.
Tons of counter space.
Yeah,
Could you
great.
make delicious food for me here?
Oh, absolutely. Yes.
As much Thai food as you could eat.
Like
Can
it?
cook my pad thai right here.
Big dramatic moments,
Exactly.
right?
You need a muscle work in it,
That's why you've got the guns. Yes.
I guess.
There's a gorgeous library and an office on the way to the master suite. Finally, the master bedroom.
Oh,
Yeah,
good
good
sight.
size.
You know, it's not as big as yesterday. It didn't
Right.
have that little cubby, but it's definitely, as you can see, plenty of space for you
Plenty
to
of
move around.
space.
Pretty good, right?
You're doing great job.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's a
Did you
good
guys
option.
check out the master bath?
Double sinks,
Double
that's
sinks,
nice.
great.
More
Nobody,
counter space than the last place.
nobody
sinks.
going on my elbows.
There you go. Do you do that with your makeup too?
Oh yeah, I was like,
There's a ton of room for the kids downstairs and the basement too. They'll each get their own living room, spacious bedrooms, and a bathroom. But I can't wait to share my idea for the backyard. Come on out. What I would do to create that true first floor living is I would take the driveway and I would extend it all the way through up here. You can drive up here, just walk up 2 stairs, drop off your groceries, and it's nice.
Like that idea.
yeah.
Good, right?
Love it. Yes.
It's got a very different feel to it and much more in our price range. And so it's definitely making it a hard choice for us.
Good. Would you be open to seeing a house in more of a neighborhood setting?
Sure.
Sure.
Today we're in Oak Harbor, which is a different part of the island, more on the north side. I'm showing them Oak Harbor Hideaway, which is an amazing house with an amazing view. This is a fun option for them just to explore to see if they want to be in a neighborhood.
Good morning, David.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. I mean, I'm
great.
in such a magical place. This island is utterly fantastic.
Glad you enjoyed
Yeah.
it.
What do you think of this one?
For having a view like that, and I got to admit that I saw a lot of kids in the neighborhood. That would be great for getting the kids.
Yeah.
They need to get them outside more. So
Right.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Oak Harbor Hideaway. It's got 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, 3,178 square feet.
Wow, that is big.
Yeah, almost a half an acre of property.
Wow.
And the price is fantastic at $530,000.
Oh, substantially less than the other
Yeah.
two.
More money for retirement.
There you go.
Oh,
Right?
yes.
So trips to Thailand.
Yes.
Perfect. I dream about it.
Well, let's go check out the house.
Literally.
Nice 2-car garage. It's got great curb appeal, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Come on in.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
It is a split level. Make our way
Nice high
upstairs.
ceiling.
Right.
It's nice and cool in here. Is there air conditioning in the house?
I don't think
Oh
there is
yeah,
AC.
I love all the window.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes, nature like come in.
Yes, very.
Yeah, wow.
Nice view of the water.
Hey,
Isn't that
neighbor.
great?
Spectacular.
Good. All right.
Perfect.
Let's go into the kitchen. So we have a nice little dining room here.
No, she loves hardwood. Oh, look at the kitchen,
look at
too.
these.
Nice, big.
Oh.
You like this?
Chop, 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 chop. Yeah.
This is our best kitchen,
It's nice.
probably.
This is our best kitchen.
And I love the bar stools.
I love the bar stool, yeah. That's gonna be the kids' favorite spot. There, I've been cooking here and then they fight and was like, stop, stop.
Crazy big, isn't
Wow,
Oh,
this is
wow.
awesome. I like it.
it? And down here we have a nice piece of property,
That's
right?
a big yard.
Big yard.
Gardens right there.
Yes,
Yep, yep.
right.
All the Thai herbs and American herb, cucumbers is my favorite.
Is your favorite?
Yeah.
Cucumbers. You're making me hungry.
Oh yes, I'm hungry too. My stomach growling.
Okay, so let's go check out the bedrooms upstairs.
Great.
Great.
The kids can choose from 2 great-sized bedrooms. And mom and dad get the entire basement level to themselves. Your own personal living space.
Oh, yeah.
This is the start of the master bedroom.
Nice.
You guys want to continue?
Let's do it.
Bet you do.
Wow, again, a large area. Easily
Yeah,
a king-size bed in here.
Easily. There's a great walk-in closet, but there's also a really great redone bathroom.
Nice. Yeah.
Double sinks.
Double
love
sink,
that.
love it.
Countertops, wonderful.
We have a great soaking tub there, which is really nice as
Really
well.
nice, yeah.
So they did a nice job when they designed
Yes,
this
very
bathroom.
nicely done bathroom.
Come on now, guys. So what do you think of the property?
Yes, very nice. Lots of living space, lots of wonderful views. As much as I wanted my privacy, this is definitely a wrench in our plan.
Good. Please, please, please take all the time you need. I'm going to go back to that lavender farm. I'm going to pick up the essential oils and really enjoy my time here while you decide.
All
Mull it
right.
over.
Yeah.
Let's do it. You're about to spend a ton of money, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm looking at a house tomorrow, and I may just have it as a vacation home.
We hope you join us in paradise here in Whidbey Island, because we feel it is paradise.
It is. Do you guys like the houses that I showed you?
Very much.
Very much.
Very
yes.
difficult choice for us.
Now let's start with our most grand property, Enchanted Estate. Seeing that magnificent house and then walking into the backyard and seeing that view.
It was stunning. I got to admit that price tag when you first gave it to me. My heart skipped a beat, I think, when you mentioned that. But our property was laid out perfectly. It had the privacy. The landscaping is awesome. Very worthwhile seeing. So
Good. Then I took you to Whidbey Island Retreat, our largest property at almost 6 acres.
right in our price range as well. I'm glad, again, you showed it to us because it
Yeah.
still had our privacy. Nice piece of property.
Lots of living spaces, even a living space just for the kids if you so choose.
Sure.
I know
Yeah.
you love that.
Oh yes, I
Mom
love
would
it.
be very happy.
And that kitchen, you really love that kitchen,
love
right?
the kitchen.
Yeah, airy and bright and great place to create a feast for your family. And then we took a little jaunt over to the Oak Harbor Hideaway, which was in a neighborhood way under your price range, but the views were jaw-dropping.
Best view of all the houses that we
Right?
saw.
The kitchen was definitely our most high-end. It had a garden
That's
of your
right.
dreams.
That house would be much more in my comfort zone as I near retirement and to be on a fixed income.
Right. I kind of think I know where you're going with all of this, but I want you to tell me.
Well, the house that we've talked about and we're fairly certain is the right choice is the house at Enchanted Estate.
Are you kidding? I'm shocked.
It's a stretch, but when we saw that view and we just fell in love with the property and seclusion.
And that piece of property is so special and so unique. It's a storybook dream come true. Thank you for spending all your hard-earned
Cheers.
dollars. Let's go
Thank
get you this
you.
house. How exciting.
Yes.
Excited.
Oh my gosh. I might live in your guest house. That's where I'm saying that we're neighbors. Living in your guest house.
We'll give you a discount on the rent, all right? We wound up at Enchanted Estates, and it's everything we imagined. We had reached a little bit on the price point, but it was worth every penny. The kids have beautiful views from the rooms. For me, it's sitting out on the deck and enjoying that view, and I'll move to the hot tub when it gets a little too chilly.
I love the privacy and I love the view. I love the garden.
It's growing really well.
A lot of Thai herbs and cucumbers and corn, zucchini, yellow squash.
Yes, and lots of fresh Thai food going to be cooked in our new home.
I love the white kitchen.
Anything I can do to help?
No, thank you. Get out of my way.
Okay.
That's the best way to hold me.
I'll go set up the outside. How's that?